Good morning, everyone. We're here at Bobby's Hobbies, and that is one of the Athearn PA1s running without its full contingent of brothers and sisters, meaning the other A unit and 2B units. And there's the other A unit. So I took a good look at them, which I hadn't out of the box, and I don't think they've ever been run. Maybe once or twice. I mean, they were clean. So they were just in the box for probably a very long time. I did a very superficial lube job with Lavelle, the grease on the main gear, and some lighter lube on the axles, just a little bit. And this is half power compared to the other days running, and at half power they're running just as fast. I know people don't want trains to run fast, but it's just indicative that everything's working well, that they can run fast. And you can see this one's coming along nicely. And here's the other one. Now this one I see that has no light, so that's something I'll have to fix. That one's going a little slower. Well, I could always do a major overhaul at some point. But I don't think they've had any run time. And that's another issue. You know, there is something to it about getting broken in a little bit anyway. I mean, I'm not exactly sure what happens, because if the gears are misaligned, or there's plastic flange on the gear, or something weird like that, running is really not going to make it do any better. But, yeah, it's lost. Oh, there he is. More shoes. Here's one. Oh, I knocked a nice tree over. Now I also got a set of Athearn passenger cars. I'm going to try something different. I have one of these locomotives. Look at this. I had this forever. See, I'm just as bad. It's in the box. Never got to run. Let's set it up. And hope you stay to watch that episode. And thanks for watching, and I'll keep getting this better till I get the entire ABBA unit of PA1s running smoothly together. Now the others just have plastic wheels and just basically drag along as cars, and I don't know, I could always motorize them or put metal wheels, but or just leave them be, because they just really are dead weight, but they look pretty. Thanks for watching, and we're going to try to hook up the Bud RDC.